So Do You Feel Like We Do by Peter Frampton is one of those iconic songs and is absolutely one of my all-time favorites. It's so much fun to play live and people get excited when they hear that opening riff. So in today's lesson, we're going to learn all the parts to the intro of the song. So grab your guitar and let's get into it. All right, now let's go ahead and break it down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play each part very slow, and hopefully you can really hear the notes and see everything that I'm playing. So let's start with the opening riff, and we're just going to play it real slow. Last little lick right there, I'm just hitting an octave, this D and that D. I'm muting the D string right there, so I'm just playing the A string, 5th fret, and the G string, 7th fret. So what I want to talk to you about real quick is everything that I'm doing in this riff is based on the D pentatonic blues scale. So it's all about this scale right here. So we're starting it here, obviously on the G string on the 5th fret, but we could play it right here on the D string, 10th fret. Same exact thing. So notice I'm hitting that blues note every time. And all I'm really doing is just sliding up and sliding back down. So that's the first section right there. Now we're going to do the exact same thing, but we're going to go up an octave and we're going to start on our E string right here, 1st string, 8th fret. It's going to be the exact same notes, it's just an octave higher. Until this part right here. This is the cool part. Now I have to admit, I've been playing this song for years and played it live in my classic rock band for a lot of years. I always had this part, where it was just okay. I mean, it worked. I mean, I kind of got by with it, but I knew it was never right. I knew I never did really take the time to study it and really figure it out. And to learn this part, I actually, for this video, watched a whole bunch of Frampton live videos, and it's really hard to see him when he's playing that part. It's hard to see where his hand is. It's just really hard to pick it out. But I did find this one video, and this guy literally plays the whole song, everything except for the talk box, and he plays it from start to finish, and you can really see what he's doing. And I actually slowed it down to like 75%, so I could try to really nail down this part for this video. But I will leave a link in the description for this guy's video so you can check it out. So he slides up, but instead of hitting the third finger on the B string 10th fret, he's playing it with his middle finger. And to me, that really helps with that lick because it's really fast. Right now I'm playing it slow, but if we were playing it up to speed, it would sound like this. It just kind of makes it a little easier for me to not have to roll this third finger and instead catch it with my middle finger. It just seems like it's a little bit easier that way. Notice there are a couple of slides in this lick. Now the next part is going to be real similar, but it's going to come down to a different note. It's going to have this note right here, but this next part goes like this. And there again, it hits your octave, and you actually play it like 4 times. So once again, I'm going to play it really slow, the whole section. Okay, so the next section, so far, everything we've played has been in a D minor key. So it's like an A, C, D minor. But this next section, it's going to move up 3 frets to the F minor. So now it's just simply going to be C, D sharp or E flat, F minor. And everything we were playing in the D pentatonic blues scale, now we're going to play it in the F pentatonic blues scale. So your F pentatonic blues scale would look like this. So let me play this next section for you nice and slow, and then I'll break down a couple of parts that are a little different. So all this part is the same sequence until it hits this part, which is just your 8th fret, G string, B string. And then all it does is just go up an octave, same as we did before. Of course, it ends a little bit different going into the verse. All right, so I hope you have a lot of fun nailing down this intro and learning the rest of the song. Keep rocking, and I'll see you in the next one.